With so many different skills in high demand, there's never been a better time to start selling services online. But the big question is, what skills can you sell online as a beginner and where can you actually sell them? Hey everyone, it's me Coach Z, and in this channel I share everything freelancing. So if this sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. If you're at the stage where you're still confused about what skill to offer to future clients or what skills clients are actually willing to pay for, then stay with me until the end of this video because I will share with you top 8 skills you can sell online as a beginner. If you're excited to begin, go smash that like button and let's get started. Skill number 1, writing and editing. If you have a way with words, then you can sell your writing and editing skills to businesses, bloggers, and authors. There are several places that you can offer this skill. Freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr, content mills such as iWriter, where businesses and individuals hire writers to create content for them. Social media platforms to promote your services, blogging platforms, online communities and forums, personal website, and direct outreach. Skill number 2, graphic design. From logos to website layouts, the demand for graphic designers is high. You can sell your services to freelance platforms such as Fiverr, graphic design, marketplaces, where you can sell brand assets such as templates and illustrations. You can also use a search platform such as Pinterest to get your creative juices out there. Crowdsourcing platforms such as 99 Designs and Design Crowd, where clients, individuals, or businesses post design contests that you can join. This is great for exposure and getting clients. Third skill is programming and web development. If you have the skills to build and maintain websites, then you can sell that to individuals and businesses. You can check dev job boards such as GitHub Jobs and Indeed Jobs to find programming projects, web development job posts, and anything under the tech industry. You can also join open source contributions to gain exposure, improve your skills, and connect with fellow web developers. Fourth skill is video production and animation. With the rise of video content on social media, the demand for video editors and animators is on the rise. You can sell your services to video production marketplaces such as Creative Pool to find video production and post-production jobs. You can also do direct outreach to small and medium YouTubers and offer your services at a much affordable rate. You can also try crowdsourcing video platforms to join contests, gain exposure, and possibly win clients. Before we move on to the next 4 skills, let me know if you're getting value from this episode, and if you do, please drop the word gold in the comments below. Fifth skill is online marketing. From social media management to email campaigns, businesses are always looking for ways to reach their target clients online. To get clients, you can start with online marketing, wherein you can post blogs, create a podcast, or create social accounts and post valuable content and make that or use that as a way to connect with potential clients. Same with other skills, you can also try freelance platforms, crowdsourcing platforms, and do direct outreach. Next skill is virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals are looking for someone to help them with their admin tasks, such as scheduling appointments and managing their emails. Aside from the ways to sell services that I mentioned earlier, you can join virtual assistant agencies where they do the promotion and marketing for your service while you only focus on providing services to your clients. The only thing is that they'll get a cut from your earning, but not bad, given that you're still building your portfolio and your experience. Another way to sell your VA services is through referrals. Ask your friend or family if they know someone who might need support. Next skill is tutoring and online teaching. With the rise of online education, there is a growing demand for tutors and online teachers. You can sell your services through online tutoring platforms like Schooly and TutorMe. You can also check classifieds such as Craigslist and Gumtree. Join homeschool groups too to connect with parents who might need tutoring services for their kids. Eighth skill is photography and videography. If you have a talent in capturing beautiful images and videos, then you can sell that to businesses and individuals. Best place to start is stock photography. Go to websites such as Shutterstock, iStock, get the images because these are the platforms where you can sell your images and videos as stock footage. You can also start local and book events so you can build your portfolio and get clients online. As a beginner, it's important to start and work on your portfolio and gaining experience. As soon as you get more clients and get positive feedback, then you can then increase your rates and take on more complex projects. Also, if you need help in building your freelance foundations and learn a less competitive but premium skill as well as learn marketing strategies to get online clients, then I invite you to join YouTube Pro Academy where I teach all these things. The link is in the description. Again, thanks for watching and I hope you found value in this episode. See you next time!